Hey there, welcome to Independent Hub. Have you ever wondered how you can turn just $100 into $1,000, especially if you're just starting out? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how beginners can make their first big leap in 2025. So, let's dive right in. First, remember the golden rule: start small, think big. You don't need thousands to get started. $100 is a great amount to kick off your journey. Whether it's investing, side hustles, or smart trading, the key is to leverage it wisely. One of the most powerful ways to grow your $100 is by investing in stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or E-Trade allow you to start with as little as $1, which means your $100 can be your ticket to a steady return. Just be sure to do your research and avoid high-risk stocks at first. Another great way to turn $100 into $1,000 is by starting a low-cost online business. With platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even freelancing on Fiverr, you can turn your skills into cash. Start with a small investment in marketing or inventory and reinvest your profits to scale up. Flipping products is also an effective strategy. Start by buying items on sale or at thrift stores, think electronics, books, or even collectibles, and sell them for a profit. Platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace are perfect for this.
Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. While it's highly volatile, many people have turned $100 into $1,000 by trading crypto. If you decide to try it, start small with well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and always be prepared for price swings. Lastly, don't forget to keep learning. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, reading books, or taking courses, the more you know, the better your chances of making that $100 grow. And most importantly, stay consistent. Don't expect overnight results. Turning $100 into $1,000 may not happen overnight, but with smart strategies and patience, it's totally achievable. Whether it's investing, flipping products, or starting a business, the sky's the limit. Keep hustling, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build your